Most monitors just sit there and show you a picture, but this specific 34-inch ultra-wide tries to wrap itself around your entire field of vision. It uses a massive curve that basically claims your peripheral vision as its own property. This isn't just a slight bend. It is a deep, aggressive arc designed to pull you right into the center of the action. You feel like you are sitting inside the cockpit of a spaceship or the driver's seat of a race car. For anyone who plays open-world games or racing sims, that wraparound effect is a total game changer. It makes flat screens feel a bit boring by comparison. But we have to look past the physical curves and talk about the speed. 200 Hz on an ultra-wide screen is impressive. Most screens in this category stop at much lower numbers. That extra headroom makes motion look incredibly fluid. If you are coming from a standard screen, the difference in smoothness is immediately obvious. Every camera flick and every fast movement feels more responsive. The panel uses a specific type of technology known for deep blacks. If you love playing horror games or space sims where the shadows need to look truly dark, you will appreciate this. Unlike other screen types that turn black into a muddy gray, this one keeps things rich and moody. However, let's talk about the big marketing claim that might trip you up. The box says it is ready for high dynamic range. In reality, it lacks the hardware guts to pull that off. There is no local dimming and the peak brightness just isn't there. When you flip that setting on, you get a mild boost instead of a visual revolution. Do not buy this expecting a cinematic lighting miracle. It is a gaming monitor first and a media powerhouse second. There are also some quirks with the screen tech itself. Since it uses a vertical alignment panel, you might see some slight smearing when dark objects move quickly across the screen. It is a common trade-off for those deep contrast levels. Most people won't notice it during a chaotic firefight, but competitive players with eagle eyes might. The color coverage is actually quite good for a gaming-focused display. Colors pop and look vibrant because it covers a wide range of the standard color spectrum. Just don't try to use it for professional photo editing. The viewing angles mean you need to stay right in the sweet spot to see everything perfectly. The build quality feels sturdy, and the stand gives you plenty of room to adjust the height and tilt. It is a well-balanced piece of equipment that doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. It avoids using noisy fans, so it stays dead silent even during long gaming sessions. You get plenty of ports to hook up your PC or a console, though you really need to use the specific display cord to unlock that full speed. It sits in a fascinating middle ground. It bridges the gap between a budget screen and a high-end monster. You get the immersion and the refresh rate without the massive price tag of a premium display. Just keep your expectations in check regarding those high-end lighting effects. If you want a screen that makes your games feel like a massive cinematic event, this curved beast delivers on that promise. It is all about that sense of scale. You aren't just looking at a game. You are surrounded by it. That is the real magic here. It focuses on the things that actually matter when you are in the heat of a match. The speed is there. The contrast is there. The immersion is definitely there. It is a specialized tool for people who want to lose themselves in another world. It strikes a balance that is hard to find. You get enough performance to stay competitive without breaking the bank. Just remember that no single piece of gear is perfect. This one has a very clear target audience. It is for the gamer who wants to be fully absorbed in the environment. Every design choice MSI made here points toward that goal. From the aggressive curve to the high refresh rate, it is all about the experience of being there. It is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desk setup without spending thousands. Just be honest about what you need. If you need deep shadows and fast motion, this is for you. If you need a professional studio monitor, keep looking. This is a pure gaming machine through and through.